Hey everyone, welcome back to Kikuk Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to update or install the latest Dopamine Jailbreak v2.4.4 and v2.4.5 using TrollStore. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow and bring you more awesome jailbreak updates. Dopamine is a semi-untethered jailbreak designed for iOS 15 and some early versions of iOS 16. It allows you to customize your iPhone, install tweaks, themes, and do things Apple normally doesn't allow, all without needing a computer once it's set up. It's made specifically for A12 to A15 devices and is considered one of the most stable jailbreaks available. TrollStore is a perma-signing tool that lets you install apps outside of the App Store permanently. Unlike normal sideloading, apps installed through TrollStore don't expire every 7 days, and you don't need a computer to re-sign them. This makes it perfect for important apps like Dopamine. Here's why you'll love using Dopamine via TrollStore. You don't need a PC after the first setup. You get permanent app installation with no 7-day expiration. You can install and update anytime directly from your device, and you'll have access to tons of jailbreak tweaks and customizations easily. Now let's get into the step-by-step guide on how to update or install Dopamine. First, open your browser and go to the official Dopamine download page. You can also find the latest update on iDownload blog. I'll leave the link in the description. Download the latest Dopamine IPA file to your device. Open TrollStore on your iPhone. Then, import the IPA into TrollStore by pressing the ++ button or using the import option. Once imported, install Dopamine directly through TrollStore. If you already have an older version of Dopamine installed, you don't need to delete anything. Just reinstall the new version over it. Your tweaks and settings will be safe. After installation, open the Dopamine app and you're ready to jailbreak again. If you don't have TrollStore or prefer installing Dopamine online without a computer, you can use services like DopaStore. DopaStore allows you to install Dopamine and other jailbreak tools online easily. Just remember, some of these online signing services can get revoked, so TrollStore is always the best permanent method. And that's it! You've now updated or installed the latest Dopamine jailbreak on your iPhone easily with TrollStore. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Kikuk Tech, leave a like, and share it with your friends who might also be into jailbreaking. For more Dopamine jailbreak news and updates, check out the description. I've added useful links there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.